Hi, I'm Jeff Wagner, Product Manager for the Alpine division at Keystone RV. Alpine is Keystone's premier luxury fifth wheel brand. Today we're standing in the living room of the all-new 3801 front kitchen. Customers really love this model for its three distinct living areas. You have our beautiful front kitchen, our nice living room, and our bedroom in the rear of the coach. This living room, though, has a lot of features. It features two hide-a-bed sofas, the Thomas Paine reclining theater seats, which also feature heat and massage. And then we have the second sofa located on the other side. Both of these sofas make into beds at the same time, and every spot in this living room is focused on this beautiful entertainment center with the fireplace below. Thanks for taking a quick tour of the all-new 3801 front kitchen.